Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kyian and you are watching Kyian by Design. Now for today's video, I'm inviting a very special guest, and that is my dog Coco. Say hi! Now Coco's joining me here today because the theme of today's video is dog-themed DIYs.
So you're gonna get some fancy new things made by your dad.
Now before we get into the tutorial, I encourage you guys to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see future projects like these from me. But if you're interested in seeing any of these projects come to life, just keep watching. For this first project, you are going to need a glass jar, a wood knob, gold and green spray paint, these self-adhesive pearls, hot glue, E6000, wood stain of your choice, and these gold foam letters. So first things first, I'm going to take my jar outside and give it an even coat of this green spray paint. I'll also be spray painting the lid of the jar and these self-adhesive pearls in gold. Then taking my Varathane wood stain in red oak, I'm going to take my wooden knob and give it an even coat of stain. Once the wood stain is completely dry, I'm going to be using a combination of hot glue and E6000 to attach the wooden knob to the center of the jar's lid. Now following the pattern along my jar, I'm going to be gluing these gold pearls in every other space around the top and bottom until they wrap all the way around. Now taking my gold foam letters, I'm going to start with the two center letters and work my way out until I spell out the word treats. I'll also be using two period stickers on either side of the word treats to give a nice little design element. Add some of your pet's favorite treats, put your lid on your jar, and there you have it, a custom designed pet treat jar. For this next project, we are going to need a recycled large plastic jar, our gold and green spray paint, wood stain, a plastic scooper, foam brush, hot glue, E6000, a wooden knob, foam letters, pearl adhesive stickers, and a handsaw. So with our green spray paint, I'm going to go outside and spray paint the lid of the jar nice and evenly. Then with my gold spray paint, I'm going to take the word food and two of these adhesive pearls and spray painting them gold. Then I'm going to take this wooden mushroom that I'll be using as my knob. I will be cutting off the bottom piece and sanding it down so it's nice and smooth. To prep the knob for staining, I'm going to go all over it with sandpaper. I just want to make sure it's going to absorb this stain really well. Then with my Varathane wood stain in red oak, I'm going to take my foam brush and evenly coat the entire piece. Once the lid and the wood stain are both dry, I'm going to be using my combination of hot glue and E6000 to attach the wood knob to the center of the lid. Set that aside to let the glue dry, and then with your golden letters and your gold pearls, you're going to start in the center of the jar and work your way out, spelling the word food. I'll be taking these gold adhesive pearls and putting them on either side to add the similar design element to the one that we had on our treat jar. Once everything is completely dry, all that's left to do is to add your pet's favorite food, stick your scooper in there, put the lid on, and now you have a matching pet food container. Alright guys, well I hope that you enjoyed seeing us make those dog-themed DIYs.
I know Coco loved them, right? Yeah.
Let me know which of these projects was your favorite down in the comments below. Oh, he's not having it anymore. Okay. And if you happen to recreate any of these projects, please feel free to tag me on social media. All my links will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Kyian. This has been Kyian by Design, and I'll see you next time. Bye!